So every day, I think that is a new challenge for us, and we have to do excellence.
These last few days, 2 days, I'm very convinced that this is the right.
Over the last 6 years, we have learned a
Hey guys, welcome back to EBS ब्लॉग पार्ट 2। फाइनली आफ्टर सो मेनी डेज मिल गया थोड़ा टाइम ब्लॉग पोस्ट करने का। सुबह सुबह उठ के मैंने बाहर का नज़ारा लिया, फिर हमारे लीडर ने शेयर की कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट स्टोरीज। मूड को लाइट करने के लिए हुआ डांस परफॉर्मेंस। शाम को थी अवार्ड सेरेमनी, फुल एनर्जी एंड एक्साइटमेंट के साथ, और एंड में मैंने लिए कुछ क्विक इंटरव्यूज, सो देखना मत भूल।
हेलो गाइस, तो वेलकम बैक। तो अभी हम लोग हैं हमारे सीपीओ सर के साथ, अर्णवा मुखर्जी सर के साथ। तो अभी ये जो है, अभी जस्ट इनको दो अवार्ड मिला है। लाइक हाउ मच लाइक दिस लाइक एनवायरनमेंट?
बहुत बढ़िया। तो दिस इज लाइक माई नेक्स्ट होम। तो रोज सुबह उठ के यही मजा लगता है कि हाँ, फिर ऑफिस जाना है, तुम लोग के साथ काम करना है। तो यही इंस्पिरेशन है एक। ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं फिर से ऑफिस जाना है, ऐसा नहीं, मजा आता है।
सर, मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन बता रहा हूँ कि मैं आपको डेली ऑफिस में देखता हूँ, और आप डेली लाइक आप जब भी देखता हूँ आप बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव रहते हैं। तो आप मतलब अपने आप को किस तरह से मोटिवेट करते हैं अपने?
So every day, I think that is a new challenge for us, and we have to do excellence on that. Maybe that is the last day, so we have to give it the best for that day. So that keeps motivated, and always इतना young लोगों के साथ काम करता हूँ तो obviously उससे भी motivation मिल जाता है. So I see people scale so much, and the Gen Zs are having so much of skills, technical and so many other things. That is what motivates me the most. Like you.
राइट। थैंक यू सर। वेलकम गाइस। अब हम लोग एक नए गेस्ट के साथ आ गए हैं। अगर मैं बात करूं लाइक अब आप लोगों को बात बोलते हैं या फिर कुछ और अपने या फिर कंपनी के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो सेकंड थॉट क्या रहता है आपका?
So yes, to be very specific. So let me come to the base. So see, Workmate is a company which has been formed by my ex-colleagues and friends, right? So I was very motivated by the story which they have created, okay? And of course, initially they tried to convince me to come here, but at a later point of the time I got equally motivated to be here, right? And after this session, this last 2 days, I'm very convinced that this is the right place for me to give all my experiences, which I have for the last more than 30 years, to this. And it reminds me of my younger days when I joined HCL many years back in 1995. And one of my customers who was there with us today, he actually told me that inside the hall that it appears that it appears like an HCL gathering. Okay. So coming to your specific question, I mean there are many things which can be told, but what is important is am I able to connect with all of you? Correct? Am I making sense? Whatever I tell you or tell the team, will it motivate you? Will it help you to do better? Okay. So that's my only thought behind it at this point of time.
over the last 6 years, we have learned a lot of things, and we have built a culture, workmates culture, and with the new people when they come and join. So I personally meet them, greet them, and welcome them to our family.
सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि हम जब बोलते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन हम बोलने से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? वो जो सामने वाला जो है वो सुन रहा है। तो अभी क्या है कि जब तुम बोलोगे कुछ तो सामने वाला जो है वो जो सुन रहा है उसका बारे में सोचो, ठीक है। तो मैं क्या कोशिश करता हूँ कि हमेशा जो सामने वाला जो सोचता है जो सुन रहा है उसका बारे में बोलो, उसके लिए बोलो, ठीक है, नहीं कि मैं कुछ क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है.
It comes from the salesman's instinct, I would say, right? So when you go to sell something to a customer, you don't go and sell what you have. कि मेरे पास ये है, तो I want to sell that. Customer will only buy what he wants to buy, not what you have got to sell. There's a requirement. So it's similar to a listener. A listener, you have to make it interesting. You have to make it engaging, so that it is not that I'm just blabbering anything and that person will endlessly hear. First few minutes he'll hear, after that he'll say what bullshit he's talking about, right? Yeah, then he'll not pay attention, right? It is important that you go, you should not also show off that I know so many things, and also you should also study a bit before engaging with a person. If the person has, somebody like the renowned speaker Dr. Mahapatra who came, right? If you want to go and interact with him, then you will have to read about a little things. You have to engage with him at his level. फुद्दू वाली बातें करूंगा, उनके जाके ABCD पूछूंगा, वो थोड़ा देर बात करेंगे, then he will not talk, right? और उसी तरह जैसे तुम बोल रहे हो Gen Z, you have to be young at heart, right? End of the day, you have to be young at heart, and because Gen Z is young, the youth of India, right? So you have to speak their language, their wavelength, but at the same time make sense.
Correct.